Hi guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notification bells. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make stew turkey. That's right guys, if you've been here before, you know I live by my crock pot, my pressure cooker, and anything that makes cooking very easy. So these are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. You need about 3 garlic cloves, Epis, and tomato paste. You'll need your scotch bonnet pepper and a few sprigs of thyme, of course my sazon, and some black pepper, honey. All right, you'll also need some multicolored bell peppers, as you guys can see here. Now again, if you've been here before, you know how I like to clean my meat. I typically use salt, lime, lemon, vinegar, and I clean it off with water. All right, just like so. Very easy, very simple. Here's my vinegar. I put salt on it. That helps it to tenderize the meat, make it nice and juicy. Although it's being cooked inside of the crock pot, it's still good to clean it with that salt and that vinegar. Take out that raw smell. And here I'm just making sure I work it in some running cold water. All right, guys, that's key. Run cold water over the meat, not hot water, because it's gonna cook the meat and you don't want this to be cooked, especially if you're putting it in the crock pot. Now if you've cooked turkey before, or if you didn't cook turkey before, let me let you know, turkey is a very dry meat. So in order to keep that moisture in it, you have to clean it out with cold water. All right, guys. So now I'm dropping in 1 tablespoon of Epis, 1 tablespoon of the tomato paste, and all the other ingredients I showed you guys in the previous clip. I also want to let you guys know, if you haven't watched my Epis video, please go and watch it. I will link it either in the description box or I'll link it in the card, and you guys will be able to click on it. All right. Epis is the glue that keeps these Haitian dishes together. All right. Epis is the beginning of every Haitian dish. If you don't know, get to know, go look at that Epis video. All right, guys. As I told you guys, I put everything inside of the crock pot, the tomato paste and all that good stuff, and I'm gonna set my crock pot to 4 hours. All right, guys, make sure you set it at 4 hours, because if you do it any longer than that, you'll have some falling off the bone turkey neck, and you don't want it to be overcooked. All right, so here I'm just working that tomato paste in there. You see how beautiful it is? The other thing that I want to let you guys know is putting everything in the crock pot, as far as like the tomato paste, to make sure it gives it color and all of that. It really helps, because I know our Haitian culture, our Haitian people, they tell you to put that tomato paste, fry it in the pan, and do all of this long stuff. No, we're not doing that here. All right, this is an easy recipe on the go. If you have some errands to run for a few hours, you come back and it's all done. All right, after 4 hours, you see how beautiful that is? Look, it has its color, it's nice and juicy. It's falling off the bone a little bit, but some is still on the bone. Look at that. Look, very beautiful. Now, did you have to work hard for that? No, you just set it and forget it, honey. All right, look. It has its color. It's beautiful. Now, all you have to do is just cut up your onions, your bell peppers, make it nice and pretty. You can pair it up with some rice. I paired it up with some vegetable rice. You guys can do white rice, or some sauce pois. Here, I had it sitting in there for a little longer. So then it got a little bit overcooked, but the previous clip was after 4 hours. Now, depending on how hot your crock pot gets, you want to make sure you check it. If you're in the house and you're not really doing anything and you just, want that meat to slow cook, all you have to do is just check it after two hours. All right. Yeah, I ran the mistake of leaving it on, but you guys don't have to do that. All right, and that's how simple and easy it is to make stewed turkey. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And go ahead and check out my ebook. The hard copy is out, guys. I'll link that down below as well. Bye.